So today is day one of me prepping myself to lose $10,000 a month. If y'all don't know, I'm also a technical consultant, and that drives the most of my revenue throughout all my businesses and things that I do. But it's getting to a point where I love my freedom over the money, and I'm ready to allow my freedom to make me more money in the things that I love to do. So I'm in preparation of having a contract be taken away, and I think it's about a 8 to 12 week timeline or less. So I'm recording this series because I want y'all to see that entrepreneurship isn't always easy. Being a side hustler is not always easy, but you have to make tough decisions during times like this to see what will help you grow in the future. For a long time, I've wanted to go out the country, lock in on my apps, and just let them soar. And now, around the same time of the year where I thought about this before, now it's going to happen, because what I'm going to do is, once that contract's gone, I'm going to leave Houston temporarily. I'm going to go to either Colombia, Mexico City, and I'm just going to be locking in fully on all of my apps. Since I got the news, I built about 3 apps, almost 4. I'm going to start pushing them live throughout these next few days, doing programmatic SEO and so many other things. But for now, I'm just showing y'all the vulnerability that it takes to make a decision, to see me scale another platform, scale other apps under Gem Social's portfolio, keep my mind focused on everything, and just showing y'all behind the scenes of the whole story. I think that 6 months from now, I'm gonna look at this video and be like, I'm so proud of you. So today I document. All right.